Thank you so much for having me. And it is an absolute honor and a delight to be here with so many young people, so many people who are excited to do something about nature, about conservation and climate change. Some of the things that I look forward to is just really seeing how can we build this grassroots action bottom up, right? There are so many of you who are doing so many different things, who have the passion. And I think as young people, all of you and all of us together really need to come together. We need to pull each other up, but at the same time, we really need to ensure that we are bringing the voices of those who are not able to be in the rooms today. For those of you who are very fortunate to be here today, but also those of us who are not here today, how do we ensure that their voices are represented? Every time when we work for the environment, how do we ensure that it is a social as well as an environmental movement? And I think this is one of the big things that sort of sits with me. And I think the rest of it is just to draw inspiration, to learn from so many wonderful speakers and panelists here, and to have a wonderful time ahead. आज बहुत ही अच्छा लग रहा है. इतने सारे यूथ है, इतने सारे जवान हैं जहाँ उनको पैशन है, कुछ करना है. कोई लोग काफ़ी ग्रास रूट्स काम भी कर रहे हैं, तो इनके साथ आज मिलने जुड़ने बातें करने में बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. आई थिंक इसका मेन इम्पैक्ट ये है कि हम एक दूसरे से मिले, बातें करें, एक दूसरे से सीखें और इंस्पायर हो जाए. जहाँ कि हम एक दूसरे से सीख पाए कि हम क्या कर पाए, कोलैबोरेशंस बनाए साथ साथ में. और वही इसका सबसे बड़ा इम्पैक्ट है कि हम यहाँ से लेकर काम अपना कैसे बढ़ा पाएँ. दैट्स द बिग थिंग. आई थिंक वन, to be here, it's an absolute pleasure. It is also such an honor for me to be here with so many young people who are all doing different things. There are so many of them who are doing grassroots works on the ground. And I think the biggest impact is that we come together, we learn from each other, we talk, we collaborate, and we go back and we build these synergies. We build our programs, we build on whatever we're doing so that we can do this at a much larger scale over the next few months, years, and keep continuing on that line. My take, I think, has been, I've been talking to some of the youth around, and I think one of the biggest things is someone was telling me, saying, hum itne saal se grassroots pe, either it's on conservation or sea turtle or whatever that might be, they're all doing different things. And what they're looking for is to find avenues of how can they sort of escalate the work that they're doing. And I think my biggest takeaway is how can I create these platforms, how can we bring more grassroots voices to the forefront so that we can actually elevate the work that they're doing and also give them the inspiration and the sort of motivation that they need to continue working. Yeah, I think one of the first things is that, people keep saying, especially as a young person when I started off, I mean, the first thing is that one, you don't have enough experience, you don't have enough expertise, you don't know what you're saying. And I think one is to keep learning, because there's always something to learn. You're never going to know everything. So keep learning, but at the same time, I think believe in yourself. If you truly feel like there is an issue that you want to solve, find out, keep asking more questions, and keep doing what you can to solve the problem. Because if you see in a problem, it needs to be solved, address it. Don't wait for somebody else to come and fix it. Don't wait for someone to tell you you need to be a certain age or a certain kind of position to do something, because I think none of that matters. As long as you have the passion to do something and you're open to working with the people around it, that's what's going to be the most important thing.